Well, a freight train hauling liquid gas tankers derailed near Plymouth may have been diverted onto the wrong track. British Rail are investigating reports that instead of travelling along the main line to Exeter, the train was sent along a siding, colliding with the buffers.
The accident happened yesterday evening at Plympton, just east of Plymouth. A goods train being hauled by 2 locomotives went into a siding, failed to stop in time, and ploughed into a stationary wagon and then on through the buffers. The train included 2 liquid petroleum gas tankers, and nearby stores were evacuated because of the danger of an explosion.
We heard this tremendous vibration through the store. We rushed out through the side doors to see what was happening, and there were these 2 trains sort of climbing up onto each other. So we obviously then came out to see if both the drivers were okay, and they'd both gotten out of their cabs. So we then went back and proceeded to do our normal trading. All of a sudden, the fire brigade arrived and asked us to vacate the premises.
Today, work began on clearing up the wreckage. Most of the trucks had stayed on the rails and were towed away, but the 2 engines won't be moved until the weekend at the soonest. They weigh 117 tons each, and special cranes will be brought in to lift them out of the soft earth in which they've become embedded. BR have begun an inquiry into what happened, and there are 2 likely answers. The driver may simply have been going too fast when he entered the siding. More seriously, though, his train may have been wrongly routed into the siding when it should have stayed on the main line. If that was the case, there are serious implications. Last night, no one was hurt. But if a passenger train, rather than a goods train, had been wrongly sent into the sidings, the results could have been disastrous.